Your 3D holographic boss sent his robot assistant to get coffee. It's just another day in the office. Businesses have been obsessed with increasing efficiency and getting the most out of their employees, and this goes all the way to how they set up their office space. Now, in the early 20th century, your typical office looked like a giant open factory floor with a manager up above looming over the employees. And in the 1980s, we saw the birth of the beautiful cubicle farm, which could be kind of a bummer to work in, but hey, it gave us Dilbert and that fax machine seen in Office Space, so they're not all bad, right? Meanwhile, as technology has evolved, the office has evolved as well. Mobile technology and tablets have given rise to open office environments where you might not even sit at the same desk every day. At one of these offices, you would come in to work and a computer would tell you which desks are available. And you pick which one you want based upon what you're working on and who you need to see. You just have to remember to take that photo of you and your dog with you when you're done for the day. And of course, with Wi-Fi becoming more available, the office now is really wherever you are. See, we've had video conferencing for years, but now companies are experimenting with telepresence robots, which allow the user to control the point of view and look at who or whatever they want based upon a robotic camera eye. They can even move around and get a feel for the office. Maybe they'll go on down to the water cooler for some juicy gossip. So, what might a typical office day look like in, say, 2030? Not so typical. You might start your day with a 3D holographic video conference with your CEO, then log into your department meeting via your avatar, which can mimic your actual movements and facial expressions. Now, as you work, software tracks which apps you use for how long, which emails you tend to put off, and the tone of your response in the emails you send. Your body monitoring device encourages you to get up if you've been sitting around for too long, doing things like playing the video games developed by your company to encourage and reward innovative thinking. Moving around gets your heart rate up, it might get some alpha waves going to really encourage creativity. And speaking about alpha waves and creativity, companies like 3M and Google are doing that by setting aside time, sometimes between 15 and 20% of an employee's work week, to work on pet projects. Other companies inspire employees to take naps or long walks or even just work from home all the time. Eventually, we'll probably move into an environment where we just have virtual offices and robot assistants will answer all of our emails for us. But will such work be rewarding? Well, think about it. Work has evolved over time. Toiling in the fields has given way in large part to toiling over a 37-message long email chain or trying to figure out how to keep people from nodding off during your PowerPoint presentation on assessing possible synergies to critical success factors across multiple verticals. It's still toiling. One thing that will not change, though, is that we still need people to work together to solve problems collaboratively, whether it's in a video conference or a challenging video game level. And one other thing that might not change are work hierarchies, so a little word of advice. Watch what you say about the boss when you're at the water cooler, even if it's a virtual water cooler. And hey, I've got a question for you. What is your vision of the office of the future? We want to know. Let us know in the comments. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel. We've got some amazing videos about the future coming up really soon.